Hi friends, it's Dana here. Today I'm going to read you a story about a pet tree, and I think it's a great story because I also have a pet tree. Here it is. My pet tree is an avocado tree, and how I got mine was when I ate an avocado last year. I saved the little pit that was inside of it, and I found an empty space in my garden and pushed it into the dirt. And later on that year, a little avocado tree sprung out of it. And before winter came and the freeze came, it was about 6 inches tall. And so I took it out of the garden and put it in this pot. And it grew all winter and this spring. And here we are with my avocado tree now that's about a year old. It'll get a lot bigger, just like the tree in this book, but for now, it is such a fun pet, and I'm so happy I put that little avocado pit into the garden. So here we go. Let's read all about Trees Make Perfect Pets. It's by Paul Czajak and illustrated by Cathy Gendron. Here we go. Birthdays are the best days for wishes, and on this birthday, Abigail wished for a pet. Her brother wanted a dog, their man's best friend. Her father suggested a hamster. They're so fluffy. Her mom thought a bird would be nice. They make beautiful music. Abigail had another idea. I want a tree. A what? They all gasped. A tree. They're the greatest pets in the world. But a tree isn't a pet, her mom argued. Of course it is, Abigail said. It's quiet, easy to take care of. And can you name another pet that actually helps you breathe? Her family was stumped. Abigail ran to the car. Let's go adopt a tree. Abigail searched the nursery and found her tree. He looks friendly. It's a tree. They're all friendly, her brother said. I'll name you Fido. You and I are going to be best friends. Abigail and Fido were always together. Shouldn't trees sleep outside? Her father asked. Fido would be lonely without me. Abigail took good care of Fido. She watered him, sang to him. They loved going on long walks. What are you doing? Her neighbor asked. I'm taking Fido for a walk. That's a tree. Trees don't go for walks. This one does. He's my pet. A tree is not a good pet. Cats are much better. Oprah Whiskers can cuddle. Fido loves a good hug. Oprah Whiskers can do tricks. Stay, Fido. Good boy. Oprah Whiskers keeps me warm at night. Fido keeps me cool during the day. Have it your way, her neighbor said. But a tree isn't a real pet. Abigail took Fido to the dog park. She knew it was important for pets to socialize, but some didn't agree. I'm sorry, this park is for dogs. Fido is a dog wood. That doesn't count. He's very friendly. His bark is worse than his bite. Sorry, actual pets only. Abigail didn't care what other people thought of Fido. She didn't mind that Fido couldn't go where other pets could. She didn't mind that Fido was only good at fetching kites and didn't like to give them back. She didn't mind that he sometimes had accidents. None of that mattered because Fido was her pet. But like all pets, Fido grew. Walks became more difficult. Fido was a tight fit in her room at night, and the breakfast table became crowded. There were leaves on my cereal again. Honey, Fido is too big to live in the house. He needs a permanent home, her mom said. But Fido is my friend. Where would he live? Outside. A tree belongs in the ground, her father explained. Abigail's heart broke. Fido had grown too big for the house. Keeping him inside was not fair to him. She found a sunny spot in the yard and dug him a new home, but Abigail wasn't ready to let go. Worried that Fido felt scared and alone, Abigail kept him company under the stars. When morning came, Abigail woke up to the birds singing, "Mom, Dad, come quick!" Her family rushed outside to see what the commotion was. Fido made new friends. "I guess a tree can be man's best friend," her brother said. Abigail hugged Fido. A tree is everyone's best friend. The end. Well, friends, I hope you find a tree that can be your best friend. I got mine right here, and it really needs a name. So if you can come up with a name like Fido for me, that would be great. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.